Video doorbells make it easy for you to watch who's coming and going, but hackers could be watching too. Tonight, Mike Bush shares a Consumer Reports investigation uncovering the troubling security flaws in some video doorbells sold by the country's biggest retailers.
This is an actual screenshot of a video doorbell accessed from almost 3,000 miles away. Outsiders are not supposed to have access to the doorbell, but the security was so poor that Consumer Reports researchers were able to get it. It was all done as part of a CR investigation into the security of video doorbells.
We were really surprised to find that anyone could walk up to one of these doorbells and take it over in a matter of seconds, and from there actually view screenshots of the doorbell potentially from thousands of miles away.
Consumer Reports' extensive security test revealed a number of video doorbells have serious security flaws that could make users vulnerable to a security breach. They all use the same mobile app called Awit. The devices CR tested are sold under the brand names Ekin and Tuck, but we found the doorbells sold under many other brand names, including Fishbot, RakeBlue, Ando, Luckwolf, and more. Retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Sears, along with Shine and Temu, sell them.
Your home is deeply personal and private. If someone is able to view your doorbell camera and see when you come and go, it presents a lot of security risks. For example, an abuser or a stalker could keep tabs on a victim, and it could create a very dangerous situation.
Experts blame the flood of cheap, insecure electronics from Chinese manufacturers being sold in the U.S. as a growing problem.
We're seeing a lot of overseas manufacturers create these obscure, cheap, no-name products and then flooding marketplaces here in the U.S. with them. Retailers do very little to vet these products, and it's very easy to become a seller on one of these online marketplaces.
Consumer Reports reached out to Ekin and Tuck but have not received a response. If you have a video doorbell that uses the mobile app Awit and it looks like the model shown in this report, Consumer Reports recommends you disconnect it from your home Wi-Fi and remove it from your door. CR has evaluated video doorbells with much better security from brands including Logitech, Simply Safe, and Ring. Mike Bush, 5 on your side.
And Consumer Reports shared its findings with the Federal Trade Commission. The agency declined to comment on what action it might take, noting that its investigations are private.